এইটা হলো মুসুন্দা।
Good morning, friends. Good morning. Enjoy the beauty of Ramna Park. Today, the 16th of June, 2024. The day before Eid Day. The day before Eid Day. We haven't missed. We haven't forget to come. This is our dearest place. The dearest place where we never forget to come. So we never forget to come, and today we are here.
Yes, he's a great man. He's a great man. Mr. Reza is our neighbor.
All
He
our
used to
neighbors
come
here.
every day in
All our neighbors here.
He takes exercise regularly. He wants to be healthy. All the people.
I wish everybody should be healthy, wealthy.
Thank you
Everybody
very much.
should.
Thank you very much, Reza.
And today the weather is very much comfortable. Very much comfortable weather today to do physical exercise. So most of the people are enjoying or trying to move to their below some. So the left of people are here coming here in the park area. Today the gathering is almost the park area is free. Almost the park area is free today. The walkways are also free today because people are busy with collecting their cattle. People are busy with